My name is Amy and I am the furniture flipper here at Flip It Furniture. So this piece is one of my most popular videos. People just loved this piece. They loved the makeover. Check out these stats on Instagram, on YouTube Shorts, on TikTok. Like in a nutshell, this piece is awesome, right? It's not. Nobody wants to buy it. I've had this piece up for sale for a couple months now. I've put the price down. I went from $140 all the way down to $50 and still crickets, nothing. That's crazy to me. I know that it's not, oh, people are just not buying right now because I've sold like 3 other pieces in the last couple weeks. So people are buying right now. Maybe it's the color. I don't really know. But I do follow 3 steps when I can't sell a piece. And believe me, it breaks my heart, and I've only had to do it a couple times. But my 3 steps are, number 1, I'm going to have to repaint it. My target audience for this piece was a single young person, maybe living in an apartment, probably a male, because it's only 1 nightstand, and those are a harder sell. But I thought I nailed it with the color. Obviously, I did not. So step 1, I'm gonna repaint it in this gorgeous black. A black and brown mix is unstoppable. I think if I just repaint it, it'll have a much better chance of selling. Because I've already done all the prep work and I've used a furniture paint to begin with, I can use my chalk mineral paint right over this existing finish. Whenever I'm using Dixie Belle's chalk mineral paint, I have my brush in one hand and the water mister in the other hand. Using the water mister along with the paint is how I get a brushstroke free finish every time. If you're enjoying this video, I would really love it if you hit that like button and considered subscribing. It helps my channel so much and I would be super grateful. After my first coat dries, I come back in to do the second coat. Now, as you can see, I've done really light coats. I don't glob on the paint or do it very heavy. Light coats and the water mister is the perfect combo for a really nice finish. 2 is going to be to reevaluate the hardware. Does it need new hardware? Is this hardware not working out? I really don't want to put any extra money into the piece because I think this hardware is just fine. But if it's not working out, then I might as well give it a completely different look. And I will include the hardware in the new price. I decided I didn't want to spend the extra money on the hardware since this is pretty neutral. So I just took the hardware off, sprayed it with some lacquer to give it a little shine. Now step 3 is to restage. I'm gonna completely restage this. I'm gonna use the black wall. I know it's the black wall with the black piece, but I think it will give it a really dramatic mood. No, rather than using the white wall, people who have clicked on this and that saw it when it was blue, they're gonna know this is the same one, she just painted it. But if I use a whole different wall, it's gonna look like a whole different piece. So maybe now they'll be tempted to buy it. Step 1, repaint. Step 2, reevaluate the hardware. And step 3 is restage and retake the photos. Now I'm gonna relist this item, and once it sells, I'm gonna leave a comment in the comment sections and I'll pin it to the top and I'll let you guys know when it sold and how much it sold for. And if I don't have a comment in there, it means it still didn't sell. But I really think a revamp is just what this thing needed. If you enjoyed this video, I think you might enjoy this one right here. These are all the mistakes I made when I started flipping furniture and how to fix them. You know, if I had known then what I know now. I'll see you guys next time with another furniture makeover. Bye.